Hi there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. In this video, we will talk about how we can create a Microsoft list using existing list. So let's see how we can do that. For that, what we need to do is open Microsoft list first. And here you can see I already have opened it. Now I'm going to click on new list. And then from here, I'm going to choose option, which is from existing list. Now here, if I click on my existing list, which most of exist in communication site. Now from here, you can choose the existing list. From home you want to take inspiration. Now let's click on next, and here you can give your list a name, so travel updated for example. Now you can define the location here, and then let's click on create. And in this way guys, we can create our new Microsoft list by taking inspiration from existing list. So here we can see the same column headers available here as it was in original travel log list, which is this one. So in this way guys, we can create Microsoft list using existing list. That's all guys from my side in this video. If you want to see more tutorial related to Microsoft list, I have also attached them in the description of this video. Hope you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.